YouTube in 2025 is changing and it's currently on easy mode because after helping business owners generate leads through YouTube, I can tell you that YouTube is changing in a way that most people aren't talking about. And these changes are actually making it easier for smaller channels and business owners to succeed on YouTube in 2025 if you know what you're doing. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what's changing on YouTube in 2025 and more importantly, how you can take advantage of these changes to get more clients through YouTube than ever before. YouTube is actually nowadays favoring quality over quantity. Back in the day, the more you uploaded, the more likely YouTube were to push you. But now they're actually going more for quality than they are for quantity. So it's less about posting more and more about posting what is actually of value and quality. The more value you could provide to your subscribers and the viewers, the more time they spend watching your videos, the more YouTube will push your videos. So really focus down on quality and really focus on actually providing what's actual value for your subscribers. Longer form videos are being pushed out more as well because it means people spend more time on YouTube. So the longer the video, the more watch time and the more YouTube will push you. YouTube is slowly trying to overtake TV and have people on their platform for as long as possible and on people's TVs. So if you can make content that's ideally longer and keeps people watching, then you're going to see YouTube push your channel more than ever. And this also includes small channels. They're actually getting a massive push. I know I'm not the only one who's been seeing smaller channels coming up on my For You page in recent times. There is more and more smaller channels being pushed by YouTube. They want people to stay on YouTube and make content on YouTube. YouTube are actually trying to promote smaller channels nowadays, and they have a specific team dedicated to actually promoting and pushing out smaller channels to help people and motivate people to actually keep posting on YouTube. As the more people that post on YouTube, the more people that will be staying on YouTube to watch videos. So YouTube will now have a strict focus on pushing smaller channels out there rather than focus on just the bigger creators. YouTube is more than ever trying to keep people on their platforms for as long as possible as they have their turn in overtaking actual TV. This means that if you can get people watching one video to your next video to your next video, they will push you. There's multiple ways to do this, but the easiest way to do this is have a call to action at the end, pushing someone to your next video to keep them on the platform. The more if you keep someone on the platform watching your specific videos, the more YouTube will push your channel. So really focus on your call to action at the end, focus on how you're ending the videos, and try to push people to your next video as much as you possibly can. Raw content is actually on the rise as well in the actual business niche. There's a lot of people creating raw content where they speak to a camera with authenticity, and it is actually starting to blow up. You're going to see channels like Charlie Morgan and William Brown in the past few years in the business niche who have started to blow up. Now, this isn't most cases, but there are small cases, for example, those two that you're seeing, and other small up and coming ones where this is actually hugely beneficial and it's pushing them out. Authentic content is just trending. People are starting to get bored of the hyperactive editing, and people are just starting to enjoy the raw content a little bit more, and it's being pushed a bit more by YouTube as well. Experiment with your channel, do some raw content, focus with more edited content as well. A high polished edited video, in my opinion, is still the best way to push your channel further, but there is raw content on the come up, and for very specific channels, this is helping them hugely. It is easier than ever to make money on YouTube, but it also means you have to provide real value. Now that YouTube is easier than ever to make money, there's so many people on YouTube trying to use YouTube as a way to make money for their external business, and YouTube is actually pushing these sort of videos as they want more people and more business to come to YouTube. So it's now the best time to get onto YouTube for business, but it's also all about providing real value. If you're just copy and pasting from someone else's channel, you're not going to succeed and do well. You need to start focusing on something only you can provide, and through that you're going to watch your channel explode, and not just your channel but also your business, and eventually YouTube will become your biggest inbound lead system that you have if you have done it properly. And the ideal reason you want to start doing YouTube now in 2025 is to build ideally your personal brand. It's not only just bring more eyes to your business, but it starts to build you as an authority and the go-to person in that niche, and it simply just builds trust with your audience. And the more trust your audience has in you, the more likely they are to buy your services. So if you're not on YouTube just yet, or if you already are, start posting more high quality content on a more regular basis. And when I said earlier that it's not about the quantity, well, quantity does matter. You still have to be posting regularly to see the best results on YouTube, but focus on the quality rather than on just posting any video out there on the platform. Quality will do well, but quantity is also important. So there you have it. YouTube in 25 is actually becoming more favorable for business owners and smaller channels who actually want to use it to get clients. But here's also the catch: creating high quality long form expert content that actually converts viewers into clients takes a lot of work. You need to research topics that will attract your ideal clients, create in-depth valuable content, structure your videos for maximum retention, build a content strategy that encourages multiple views, optimize everything for the algorithm, and stay consistent with uploads. It takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, even in this day and age where more raw content is actually being pushed. It is still a lot of work that goes into these YouTube videos that could take you hours and hours a week if you want to be done properly. This is why I want you to click that first link in the description and book a free strategy call with me. I will go over your channel, do a complete review of your channel, and let you know how your business can do well on YouTube. We help business owners like you generate a minimum of 10 qualified calls every single month through YouTube. without having to spend more than 20 minutes per week on your content. We take over all the work and you just reap the rewards. We handle everything from research to editing so you can focus on what you do best, which is running your business. So click that link now, book a call, and I'll look forward to speaking to you and look forward to having your YouTube channel blow up in 2025.